Hello, myself Madhumita Manna. My topic is create a presentation. Content details over here. What is a presentation? Presentation is the process of presenting a topic to an audience. What is Impress? Impress is a presentation software. We can create slideshow that can include chart, drawing, object, animation, etc. I show you how to create presentation by using Impress in LibreOffice. How to start Impress? We can start Impress in a several way. From the LibreOffice Start Center, if no component is open, click on the Impress presentation icon to create a new presentation. Other way, from the System Start menu, the standard menu from which most applications are started. Find Impress inside the LibreOffice category. The main Impress window. The main Impress window has three parts: slide, workspace, slide bar. I show the name of the bar. Other parts like title bar, toolbar, menu bar, and status bar. I show the name of the tool. Create a presentation using template. When we start Impress for first time, the Impress window opens with the presentation template dialog displayed. Select a template which we would like to have. Otherwise, cancel. We can modify our presentation like font color, background color, etc. Selecting slide layout. Before we start adding content to a slide, we need to choose its layout from slide layout drop-down menu. We can change size of the slide. Go to menu, then select slide, properties. After that, open page setup dialog. Then select format, then press OK. How to save presentation? Impress gives us many ways to save our file. We can use keyboard shortcut Ctrl S. Other way, go to File menu, then click Save option. We can also use Save As to save the file in a different location in our computer. Go to File menu, then click Save As. Running the slideshow. Click Slideshow, then Slideshow on the main menu bar. Other way, you can use F5 key from keyboard. Save a presentation in PDF. In our LibreOffice application, click on File menu, then Print, and in the Print window, select PDF from the printer list. After that, click Print, and after selecting after Save action, if needed, click OK. Using Help. Help menu guide us to start and control settings of the program on a system that is set to default. Go to Help menu, then click LibreOffice Help. Otherwise, you can use F1 key from the keyboard. Closing Impress. we want to close that document, go to File menu, then click Exit LibreOffice. Otherwise, you can use Ctrl Q from the keyboard. If more than one document is open and you want to close one of them, go to File menu, then click Close on the menu bar or click on the cross on the title bar of that document's window. Thank you.